Yo, what's going on, guys? I am out here currently in Nice, France. I don't know how well you can see that. Can't see my camera on the screen, but yeah, I'm staying right across the street from the airport, getting ready to go to Monaco this weekend for F1. And I figured, let's throw up a little update video because, of course, whenever I travel, the market decides to get a little bananas. And yeah, like clockwork, we had Bitcoin as I was boarding my plane to fly out here. Bitcoin started breaking out and then went for that all-time high push. And now, as you can see, Bitcoin 110K, uh, entering into price discovery yet again. So, I mean, it's great to see. It's awesome to see for the market. Bitcoin dominance, though, push back up a little, teetering around here. We still haven't seen any really crazy moves for the broader market yet, right? And on this channel, our main focus is XRP. And look, dude, XRP still hasn't really gotten going. We're waiting for this move here that we saw in November. We're waiting for a move like that to come in again. And look, with Bitcoin breaking into new highs, I feel like it's only rational, it's only logical to think that this big move that we're waiting for is close. It could start taking off any day now. We just had that stable coin bill get passed in the US. There's a lot of stable coin developments, all while RLUSD's been continuing to be rolled out, and it looks like Ripple might end up buying Circle. So it seems that there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Things are happening very, very quickly. Um, and again, who's to say exactly how this will play out? But things are looking really good right now, in my opinion. We had the extreme fear with the tariff drama, hitting lows throughout all markets. Stock market has bounced back insanely. S&P 500 like almost back to the highs. Nasdaq almost back to the highs. The Russell still has some more room to go, uh, but overall across the board, it's been basically up only since the beginning of April, especially here for Bitcoin. And that's what we'll look at first here from Credible Crypto. If you haven't figured it out yet, the fact that we have now made a new all-time high in an impulsive manner confirms the idea I shared below in January. This also means that alts will follow Bitcoin to new all-time high in the coming months. Prepare yourself for the mother of all alt seasons. And right, really, that's what we're waiting for. There's not much gains to be made in Bitcoin at this point. Like you'll be lucky to get a 2x here from to like 200 something thousand. But best believe if Bitcoin goes to 200,000, altcoins are going to be going a whole lot higher in terms of multiples. And we're really just waiting for this Bitcoin dominance to crash down to like 40% or lower. And as Credible Crypto stated, just the mother of all alt seasons. Now, quick shout out here, just cause, if you're into the memes, if you're into XRP memes, I just put a little post box as a better BTC. Uh, I tagged Satoshi on XRP. Check them out. Bitcoin on XRP is the meme coin because, guys, one Bitcoin for $110,000 is insane. Right now, you could buy one Bitcoin on XRP, ticker's box, for less than 1 cent. So imagine buying Bitcoin for less than 1 cent. Now, of course, meme coin, high risk, extreme high risk gambling, basically. But I know the people behind this that run this uh, fun little coin, and I think we could get Bitcoin on XRP up to $1, which would be like 100x from here. And that wouldn't be crazy at all. It would only be about a 20 million market cap. Coins do that on Solana every day. So we'll move on though to what we're really here for is XRP itself. Another post here from Credible Crypto showing an old tweet he made here. saying, as excited as I am about my other holdings and their upside potential in the coming months, there's still no other altcoin in the space that has lower time frame that has lower time frame impulsive structure as clean as XRP has had off of its lows. The chop and consolidation we're seeing on XRP in this $2 range is not a cause for concern. The longer we chop in this tight range, the more explosive the next leg up will be. From a wave perspective, the next leg up on XRP is akin to the wave we saw on Bitcoin that took us from 25K to 74K wave 3. So a tight consolidation prior to this massive move up is expected and welcomed. So you can see here, right, comparing it to what Bitcoin did here, consolidating between 20 and 25,000, or 25, or yeah, like 20 and 30,000, whatever this consolidation was before it had that big breakout to 74K. So hopefully, right, this is what we're betting on is going to be next for XRP on in the short term horizon. Once this move gets started, it should progress pretty rapidly because that's typically how XRP goes. Here from Dark Defender, on November 4th, XRP had a golden signal on the weekly RSI. We warned in October. Today, XRP RSI has produced the same signal after 200 days. XRP is targeting $3.33 in the short term and is expected to fire the bullet, which will likely then flatten itself against the 585. I don't know what word that is. Our targets are very clear, road to victory. So yeah, thinking we go much, much higher here. From Ripple Van Winkle, XRP is ready. Are you? Showing that we got that buy signal. Here from TechDev, we quite literally have never seen altcoin compression like this. Just showing how consolidated the altcoin market has been, just how much sideways we've experienced the past few years, and looks like we're absolutely ready to rip. Also from TechDev, I've heard one last push, in quotes, for 2 years. Maybe, just maybe, in an environment where everyone seems to think they can call the top, what you get is a big grind up farther and longer than most expect, or can stay solvent. Interesting that the macro happens to support it, just showing that it looks like we could still be headed up for a while. Everyone's been trying to top call the entire way up, um, but this chart that he shows here, the business cycle, I don't know exactly what it means. It would suggest we have a lot longer to go, and it's just going to keep grinding up. So who knows? We'll see. Finally, here from Fuzzbob, smart money buys dips. Some S tier meme coins on sale right now in the XRPL. With Bitcoin blowing past all-time highs, this could really be your last chance to get in early before massive multipliers on your XRP supply in the coming months. Remember, 100,000 XRP will equal a millionaire soon. So we'll leave it at that for the day. Hope you enjoyed the little update. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, comment. I already said comment, dude. I'm so tired. We'll blame it on the jet lag. Subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.